Everyone starts somewhere, sometimes alone. He watches others move ahead, while he feels left behind. He tries to stand up. He falls. He tries again, and he falls again. Failure becomes familiar. People laugh. People doubt him. They say he's not made for this. At night, when the world goes quiet, he asks himself one question. What if I don't quit? While everyone sleeps, he works. Step by step, day by day. No applause, no shortcuts. Pain turns into strength. Weakness turns into discipline. And discipline turns into progress. One day, they notice. The same people who doubted him now watch in silence. Because the one who refuses to quit always wins in the end.